¿Por qué te llaman el Pitbull?
Funny thing is, it was after my first amateur fight in Brazil. My mom made me a to-go so I can eat after the fight. I was facing the wall, eating my to-go with my hands. So my coach came up, you just fought like a pit bull, you eating like my pit bull, that's gonna be a nickname, Pitbull.
No solo peleaba como un pitbull, sino que comía como un pitbull. Háblanos un poquito sobre ese combate que vas a tener el 3 de marzo.
I'm gonna be fighting Mark Kempman, which is another top contender, really good striker, very well-rounded fighter. And we're gonna be headlining the show March 3rd in Sydney, Australia. It's a big fight, big opportunity for both of us, and I'm ready.
¿Cómo haces para mantenerte enfocado y no volverte muy loco con el cuento del party y la fiesta?
You gotta put in perspective what's more important to you. If being a champion for you, that's your goal, which is for me. I want to be a champion. I want to be the best. I want to leave a legacy behind me. And so you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta put aside all the party, the have fun. The party always gonna be there, but get your job done first, and then you can enjoy. You can party much better.
¿Qué para ti sería el peak, la cima de tu carrera?
I know I'm gonna be, a welterweight champion, pretty soon, and I want to hold the belt for 5 years, and then retire as a champion. That's my goal. That's what I'm striving for.
Si tú tuvieras que seleccionar un peleador y vencer ahora mismo, ¿a quién sería?
I think it'll be a mix, a mix of a few guys. I would say we can mix Anderson Silva with John Jones. Put a little bit of Junior Dos Santos, in there with Jose Aldo and George St. Pierre. I think that would be a
that would be a rumble, my friend.
That would be a bad man right there.
Háblanos un poquito sobre el amor que tiene con los tatuajes. Philippines 413. ¿Qué significa eso para ti?
It says, tudo posso naquele que me fortalece. It means I can do everything through God that gives me strength. Don't you ever give up, believe it, and go out there. And this is Kitaro. It's a baby samurai, flying the koi fish. The story about Kitaro, one of the biggest samurai in the Japanese.
Y tienes uno que es una sorpresita para las chicas, ¿no? ¡Ay!
Japanese symbol for love, it means I'm a lover looking for the real love, all the good stuff.
Seguimos con más de Ritmo Deportivo.